Hit. Good.
You say that.
Johnny.
Good hit!
You then?
Oh, how side arm? Side arm, shoot it.
Yeah. Okay, go. If you haven't got secondary, then just take the hit, fall back to your respawn or whatever you're doing. Kill for me, sir. Sort something out then. Robin, who was it?
I've already been.
Step forward. Come on, take like yeah, sorry kids, what it says on the tin. Okay then. On you go, oh you should be doing it. Oh, good. He's dead. Okay, it's 5 metre radius, any impact grenade.
Hold my case.
I'm just lunging people with my...
Come and line in front of me here, look. And aim your guns at each other.
Alright, sorry Ren. What size is it?
3.0.
Oh, bad. Alright.
This is how they decide who plays. That's Captain Harry.
Right! He's down! He's down! Right flank down! We've got one in front of the bunker, approximately 30 metres. Or was that being speed? He's down! Another one down! In the glider! Hit! Hit!
Shoot back in. Reinforce at that hill top.
Right, reinforce the top. Roger that. Huh? Copy. Is this the half track? Copy. Yeah, this is as good fun as you thought it was. Flashbang, smoke, massive big fortifications and bunkers. Fuck, this is good fun. I got my trusty G36. God damn, it's accurate. I mean, and that's a higher one. Oh my God, stay tuned. I think it's pretty much in front of Captain Harry. Pushing, contact, right! Hey, contact left! You're 11 o'clock! Over the ridge line! Yeah, there's one. Straight through there. Well, you can pay me back by taking out the food. I'll get out of the way. Good score, boys. Well done. Go. Hit. Oh, it may be cold. I'm sweating. Okay, just to give you an idea. These guys are attacking, pushing their way. Game over. Game! It's a good day to die. Am I clear forward?
There was one guy around there, but he's done.
They're chugging good, snipers! One is the other.
Hey, 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 hey! Contact, right!
Snipers! Hail!
Same, hitting pin. Can you see him? Oh, well, thank you very much. 2 o'clock. All right, they're up at 2 o'clock. Rush! Go! Bunker captured! Whoa! Hit! Inside.
Take the gun! Get over that boat! Everybody else, push the bridge!
Hey, contact right there, on the other side of that little bunker. Whoa.
Where's the spawn for the defenders?
They have to be like touching the other around your face.
How many lives did you get?
We'll touch anyway.
Oh, sorry, we're not coming up there. Sorry. It's not helping, I know.
Yeah, we haven't reached that point.
I'll make you famous. Oh yeah, hang on. I've got one on the left side of the road. Moving. Harry, watch that direction. Other side of the road, so you have to hit the side. Right there. Watch my shot.
Right side, left side.
Left side.
Hey, what's happening,
Bad guy there. Bad guy there. He's on the ditch. But there's one behind him as well. Yeah.
Right on that triangle marking, yeah. Yeah, 2 seconds.
There you go.
Hang on.
Ah, sorry.
Hang on. And that's it. Oh, sorry.
Maybe not.
Thank you. Where the fuck's that coming from? Yeah. I still have, how many we got? 3. I got 2 left.
Oh, good.
I've just been,
Oh,
yeah,
of course,
because I got pinned down, yeah. All right, so I'll get back out. 2 of these bastards around here. Oh, hit. This is my second hit.
Yeah.
So
Stay close and watch that grenade, that boy makes grenade. That's all.
like they're rushing.
From road, Russian!
They're rushing.
Hang on, everybody hang on. Hang on, cover. Hey, look at this thing I'm trying on the ground.
Go.
You scream like a little girl.
Yeah, come on then.
Hi, Sean.
Come on, come around that corner, you fucking moms. Come on, come around. Oh, sorry, mate. Are you boys dead? Dead men coming through.
2 dead boys.
Somebody drive that back, the posting.
Dead men go down over the road, running.
3 lives total.
Yeah, so I'm on the last one. Yeah, Caleb.
All right, having a look.
Good.
He's down.
Is your nutsack was too big? I couldn't miss it. I'm sorry. Not over the wall.
Whoa.
No, you know.
They ran away.
Did they run away? That was good. Stop hitting the wall. Put it back together. Stop hitting the wall. Oh, that's fine. It's his wall. You pretty much do what you like.
Stop it, you're scaring the children.
Come on, there's that good ground. Go on.
Whoa. There's one right there. Back up here.
Shit. I know.
Stand on.
You okay, bud?
Stand on. Coming out.
Watch that front, boys. Watching you, Caleb. Bugger.
How? My knife. You want a hug?
How?
Stop playing silly.
I stabbed it with my knife. You're looking at that. No. Dead man coming out! Dead man!
Dead man coming out.
On that note, Taz.
Yeah.
Chief,
Nice to meet you anyway, mate. All the best to you.
I will do that right now.
Give us a review, yeah? Good, man.
See you guys. Good guys. Thanks, Captain.
Okay.